Kia ora, my name is Julie Ferguson Nawaka and I have been working here at the Taiwhenua for 8 years. We've got such great cultural values and it's a pleasure to come to work every day. There are all sorts of different services and plenty of career opportunities for you to come along and be a part of.
Working for a Māori organisation is like nothing that I've come across before. Just everyone being on the same page, that deeper understanding of why we do things the way we do it. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. I'm still on a high that I actually work there.
We are a kaupapa Māori organisation and once a year we hold a marae noho for the purpose of tikanga development, giving all our staff a marae noho experience, but also keeping in contact with our marae. Time to come together and to celebrate who we are, but also to, in terms of our own kaitiaki responsibility, to give back to the staff.
So it's my first marae noho, and just the whole energy, the vibration of everyone being together. It's really cool.
So every year the theme differs, so this year it's a Bollywood theme and everybody has scrambled and planned and got their glad rags on and their bling on, and we'll be doing a dance and it's going to be loads of fun. I'm already giggling on the inside. It's amazing to work at the Taiwhenua. I was there on my level 7 placement for my social work degree and I just feel like I've come home now. I'm quite content and everybody's always happy, which is really good. There's a really good atmosphere and dynamic at the Taiwhenua.
I think Taiwhenua is an awesome place to work. The initiatives that we provide to whānau out in the community and the services that we provide, second to none. I think that we have a good focus on what whānau need, what whānau want, and we deliver that.
When you're working with Taiwhenua and you're working with kind of like what feels like a whānau, it's less feeling of mahi and more of something that you love.
I really enjoy working at Te Taiwhenua Heretaunga. It's an awesome environment and really awesome people to work with, and we just have lots of fun and it's just, yeah, a cool place to work.
I love it. That's all.